Hey guys, this is Jacob from Grower Solution this week, and we're going to talk just a little bit about our greenhouses, some of the specs, some of the benefits of what we offer. So our houses, a lot of people are suffering through the hurricane right now. It's moving through, but guess what? Our house is 90-mile-an-hour wind rating. We're good. Keep your roll-up sides down. Keep your doors closed. Don't let any vacuum form in there, and you'll be fine on that. But as far as our houses go, what I want to say is I see a lot of comments about people talking about, hey, well, you know what? Why would I spend, $3,000 on a greenhouse whenever I can go buy one from a big box store for $500 or $600? You see some of those that almost look like miniature carports. You can do that. I mean, they'll work great for seed starting houses, but as far as long term, that's not going to be your main solution for that. And what I would like to touch on that is for our greenhouses, they are either 16 gauge or 14 gauge, so they will fall underneath the NRCS rules. And so you can get up to, I want to say 2,100, 2,300 square foot, somewhere around that, and be reimbursed for that. It does vary from county to county, state to state, and obviously it's government, so you're going to have regulations. So you're going to have to contact your local USDA office and ask them what they have for your area. But highly recommend doing it. One of my first greenhouses, that's what I did, was able to get a 30 by 72, and it was actually 2,170 square feet was what I was able to get. And that was my tomato house. I mean, and in that house, you're able to grow, roughly about anywhere between $5,000-$10,000 worth of vegetables at the farmer's market a year, pretty easily. So the gauge is a big thing. They're strong, sturdy houses. They do fine underneath all the regulations. These aren't engineered houses. We get phone calls all the time about people saying, hey, they need engineered specs, or they're needing blueprints for city codes. Well, these are not considered permanent structures, therefore no city codes are needed. And don't let anybody tell you that you need it. That's just bureaucracy at its finest. Everything's locally sourced. We buy all of our pipe out of Kentucky. All of our folks are here. We're a family-based business, so whenever you buy from us, you're buying from one big family, which is hugely appreciated. One thing that we do offer, and we've been working on, are all of our video tutorials, install videos to make it a little bit easier. I know not everybody's good at reading, instructions on paper. I'm one of those people. I'm a hands-on learner. So having the videos available just to walk you through step by step has been very useful for all of our customers, and I think that's the way that we're going to be going in the future. So we offer a 10-year warranty on all of our greenhouse frames, which is great because we know things happen, tornadoes, hurricanes, life. It just happens. I mean, we've even ran some tractors into a couple greenhouses by accident before. But another thing that's good is our film also has a 4-year warranty on that. Now, that does not cover if you cut it with like a knife or a razor blade or something like that. But if it degrades at all, or replace it, no questions asked. And we'll get that back to you, and that way you can get up and growing again. So one thing that we are offering this year is our order protection program, which is great, and a lot of people are taking advantage of it. So if your order is $99 or less, you can pay a fee of $1, I think it's 95 cents. And if FedEx or UPS, or if it's damaged, if it's lost, anything like that, we replace it, no questions asked, so you have that peace of mind. But the good thing about that is on our bigger products, like your greenhouses, like they're going to be shipping freight, they're going to be shipping on an 18-wheeler. Stuff happens with forklifts, unloading, loading stuff. We don't have anything leave out of here damaged. Everything's perfect. But once it leaves our docks, We can't guarantee that. And with this order protection, we can guarantee that. So it's 2.5% of the total price. Having the order protection, I mean, if you think about it, it's a small price to pay just for having that peace of mind. Another plus right now that we're doing is our quick shipping. We've been getting very quick turnaround times. If you place your order on a Monday, it's going to ship out probably the next day. I know it's springtime, it gets busy, it might delay it maybe a day or two, but you're going to have your goods that week that you ship, unless it's a custom item like a greenhouse or a shade cloth that we're actually having to manufacture to your specs, or your grommet spacing or your length or anything like that. So just keep that in mind, that fast shipping is one thing that we take pride in. So to wrap up this video, I just want to leave you guys with this. We've been in business for 20 years now. We're a family-owned business. We've been in the industry, in the nursery industry, for 35 plus years. We take pride in our workmanship, in our products, in our customer service, and we really thrive on that. So thank you for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you have anything else that you want us to discuss or talk about, just let us know, and we're going to try to cover it for you guys.